Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the matrix. First of all, we study about the definition of matrix. After that, type of matrix. Here, matrix a rectangular airy arrangement of m cross n elements enclosed by bracket, which may be either real number or complex number or some function of x, is called the matrix. Whereas we have to study the determinant that gives us some values, but here only arrangement for the different type of a purpose. Now A equal to matrix A equal to enclosed by bracket here A11, A12, A13, A14, A1, A1, A1 and A row or A1 and A. This is the first row. This is second row. A21, A22, A2. Second row, third column. Second row, fourth column. Second row, n column. Now third row, first row, second row, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, third row, fourth column, third row, n column. Fourth row, first column, fourth row, second column, fourth row, third column, fourth row, fourth column, and so on. Fourth row, n column. Now here A m row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 m row, first column, A m row, second column, A m row, third column, A m row, fourth column, A m row, n column. Here this is a matrix. This is the matrix Aij. This is equal to Aij m cross n matrix, where m row and n column. Now here I is, here in this case I equal to row and j equal to I equal to row and j equal to column. I vary from I vary from 1 to ij row column. I vary from 1 to m, and j vary from 1 to n. J vary from j is column, ij row 1 to m, and j vary from 1 to n. Here is a matrix of order m cross n. It does not read the product of m into n, but we study this matrix. This is a m cross m. We read it m cross m. Now here example here. Here in this case, example Aij, if write Aij is 3 cross 2, it means that row equal to 3 and column equal to 2. Aij means row 3 cross 2 and 3 row and 2 columns. Now it can be written as here A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32, A32. In this case, 1 row, 2nd row, 3rd row, and 3 cross 2 column. 3 cross 2 column meaning row 3 cross 2 and 3 row, 1st row, 2nd row, and 3rd row, and 2 column, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Now the element of Aij belong to the ith row. Aij belong to the ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column, and is called the ijth element of the matrix. Here the element of Aij belong to the ith row and jth column and is called the ijth element of the matrix in this case. Now we take the some example here. Now here question number 1. If Aij is defined as the mod of I minus 2j by 2 and order of matrix is 2 cross 2, then find out the matrix. Here element Aij I minus 2j by 2. Now Aij solution 1 here Aij matrix Aij 2 cross 2 equal to A11 A12 A21 A22. Here 2 cross 2 matrix, and we have order of matrix is 2 cross 2. Let us suppose that Aij 2 cross 2, that is here, but Aij is defined as I minus 2j by 2 mod of this. It means that if it comes negative, that will also take positive, so that putting I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, A11 equal to here, A11 equal to I equal to 1, j equal to 1, A11 here, 1 minus 2 into 1 here by mod 2. It means that 1 minus 2 by 2, so that minus 1 by 2, that is also half. It means that it is equal to half. I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. So that A12, this is equal to I equal to 1 minus 2 into j equal to 2, here divided by 2 mod of this is equal to 1 minus 4 by 2, so that 1 minus 4 and 3 by 2, so that this will equal to 3 by 2. I equal to 2 and j equal to 1, A21 equal to here 2 minus 2 into 1 divided by mod of 2, so that this is 2 under 2 minus 2 is 0, so that it will be 0 and I equal to 2, j equal to 2, A2 2. It means that I equal to 2 minus 2 into 2 divided by 2 mod of this, so that 2 2 is 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2 by 2. It means that minus 2 by 2, this is equal to 1, so that mod of this is equal to 1. So required matrix, here find out the matrix. Required matrix will be A11 means half, and A12 and 3 by 2, and A21 0 and A22 1. This is our required matrices. This is our required matrix. It is a mod for the taking. If the quantity comes negative, also we take in the positive. But this is a here this is a in a bracket now, and Aij here defined as the such type of this mod. Now this is our answer. Now for the second question, here construct the matrix of order 3 cross 2. Construct 3 cross 2 whose elements are given by Aij equal to 2j minus 2I minus j. Now in general 3 cross 2 matrix, in general 3 cross 2 matrix, in general 3 construct the matrix of order 3 cross 2 whose elements are given by Aij 2I minus j. In general 3 cross 2 matrix equal to A1 1 3 row A1 1 A1 2 A2 1 A2 2 A3 1 A3 2. 3 cross 2 3 row, first row, second row, third row, and first column, second column. This is given by this. Now, and Aij is defined as here. Element Aij is defined as 2I minus j. Aij element is defined as 2I minus j. Now putting here, putting I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, so that A11 equal to 2 into 1 minus 1, 2 under 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. I equal to 1, j equal to 2, A12 equal to here, A equal to 1 and I equal to 1, 2 into 1 minus j equal to 2, so that 2 0, this is equal to 0, I equal to 2 and j equal to 1, A21 and 2 minus 1, that is equal to 2 to the 4 minus 1 equal to 3, and now I equal to 2, j equal to 2, so that A22 equal to 2 and 2 into 2 minus 2, 2 to the 4 minus 2 equal to 2, I equal to 3, j equal to 1, A31, this is equal to A3, 2 into 3 minus j equal to 1, 3 to the 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5, I equal to 3, j equal to 2, A3 2, it means that 2 into 3 minus j equal to 2, 3 to the 6 minus 2 equal to 4, so that in this case construct the matrix of required matrix. required matrix will be A11 and 1 1 0 A12 1 0 3 2 5 2 5. Now here A11 A12 A21 here 3 2 and 5 4. This is a 3 cross 2 and this is our required matrices A11 3 2 and 5 4. Now we study about the equal matrices. Now here equal matrix, two matrices are said to be equal if they have the same order and each element of one is equal to the corresponding element of other. It means that order will be same and corresponding elements will be same, then that matrix is known as equal matrix. Here two question. Question number 3. If a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible order it can have? Now we know that if any matrix order of order m cross n, then the total number of elements will equal to m into n, that is a product of row and column. So the total number of possible matrix is equal to number of order pair whose product is 8 here. So that all possible order pair equal to 1 into 8, 8, 2 into 4, 4 to the 8, 2 into 4 and 4 to 8, 4 to the 8, 8 to 1 the 8. So that required possible order will be 1 cross 8, 8 cross 1, 2 cross 4 and 4 cross 2. Now we see the fourth example here. Now fourth x minus y, 2x minus y, here z, here w. This matrix is equal to -1, 4, 0 and 5. In this case, if both matrices are equal, as you know that equal, so that corresponding elements are also equal. Now x minus y equal to -1, z equal to 4, 2x minus y equal to 0 and w equal to 5. Now here we see this x minus y equal to -1 and 2x minus y equal to 0. Now subtracting this is plus, this is minus, so that this is cancel, this minus x equal to -1, so imply that x equal to 1. Here x is equal to 1, z equal to 4 and w is equal to 5, so that y equal to, now we see that x minus y equal to -1, putting x equal to 1 minus y equal to -1, this comes here, this comes here, this is equal to 2 equal to y, it means that y equal to 2. And what are possible in this case, then find the value of x plus y. So required result x plus y, this is equal to x is equal to here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, 1 plus 2, this is equal to 3. Answer. Now after that we study about the classification of matrix. कितना होगा? Now classification of matrices. Row matrix, a matrix having a single row is called a row matrix. It means that here this is a single row, its element A1, A11, A12, A1n, dot dot A1n, only single row, so that it is known as row matrix. And column matrix, it means that a matrix having a single column is called the column matrix. Here this is the first only one column and only one column, and so that this matrix is called the column matrix. Here matrix consisting of only one row or only one column, that are called the vectors, that is known as vectors. Here third zero or null matrix, it means that if all the elements of a matrix, square matrix or rectangular matrix, having all the elements are zero, so that is called the zero matrix or null matrix. Here this it means that if Aij to be a null matrix, it means that Aij equal to 0 for all value of I and j. And fourth horizontal matrix, it means that if the number of column is greater than number of row, here number of column first, second, third, fourth, fifth column and 2 row. If the number of column is greater than number of row, that matrix is known as horizontal matrix. And if the number of row, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, number of row is greater than number of column, so that number of rows is greater than number of columns, so that matrix is known as vertical matrix. Now square matrix. Here 6 number is square matrix, and M cross N matrix. A is said to be square matrix if M is equal to N and the number of row equal to number of column. Number of row, first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column. It means that 2 cross 2 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix, 4 cross 4 matrix, 5 cross 5 matrix, that is known as square matrix. Now here in this case A11, A12, A13, A22, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a matrix, and this diagonal left, that is a left hand side upper corner to right hand side lower corner is called the principal diagonal, so that left hand side upper corner to right hand side lower corner is called the principal diagonal here. And the left hand side lower corner to right hand side upper corner, this is known as conjugate diagonal. It means that this is known as principal diagonal and this is known as conjugate diagonal. Now, type of square matrix here. There are mainly two type of square matrix: triangular matrix and diagonal matrix. Here, triangular matrix divided into the two categories: upper triangular matrix and another is lower triangular matrix. If the element below the principal diagonal, this is a principal diagonal. If the element below the principal diagonal is 0, then that is known as upper triangle element, because the element in the upper triangle element because the element with respect to principal diagonal in upper direction is something, so that this is known as upper triangular diagonal. And if the element above the principal diagonal are 0, then that is known as lower triangular matrix here, and this is the upper triangular matrix, because some element exist in the upper side of the principal diagonal. Now, second diagonal matrix here. Triangular matrix here, this is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, one is scalar matrix and other is the identity matrix. Identity matrix, that is denoted by ion here. Now, scalar matrix, if d1 d2, it means that the diagonal elements here, it means that if the d1 d2 d1 does not equal to 0, here in this case if d1 d2 d1 does not equal to 0 and rest elements are 0, so that this is known as scalar matrix. But if the principal diagonal elements are one identity, so that and rest element is 0, this is known. Now, if the element of principal diagonal is 1 and rest element are 0, that is known as identity matrix. Now, like, subscribe and share my video.